I'm at Saguaro Lake, where we've learned that 3 people are dead, 2 women and a man, as a result of possible carbon monoxide poisoning. That coming to us from the Maricopa County Sheriff's.
The presence of carbon monoxide was prevalent when we got on scene. As of right now, when deputies got on scene, there was a generator still running. At this point, it appears to be from the generator.
The sheriff's office says the call came in around 3 p.m. Saturday. They say the caller requested a welfare check because they hadn't seen the 3 for hours.
It's just hard to, for deputies to deal with a scene like this.
Carbon monoxide is often called a silent killer. It's tasteless, odorless, and colorless. According to the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, carbon monoxide poisoning kills more than 400 Americans a year.
I know a lot of times because of the cold weather, you need some type of something to keep you warm. And I guess that could have been the issue here, where they were running the generator so they had power to keep the boat warm.
Law enforcement telling us that this is still a preliminary investigation, and we'll be learning more in the coming hours and days. Reporting in Saguaro Lake, I'm Adam Mintzer, ABC 15, Arizona.